Hello and welcome to What the Fraction. My name is Lisa. Today we're looking at the distributive law and how you use that when expanding sets of brackets. When using the distributive law, in this case we need to multiply A by the two terms inside the brackets, the B and the C. This means that the A is multiplied by the first term, B, A times B, and then by the second term, A times C. And that gives us AB plus AC. Let's have a look at how to use distributive law. This 2 needs to be multiplied by the two terms that are in the brackets. So we need to do 2 multiplied by 3 and 2 multiplied by 5. And that will expand this expression. Okay, so if we do that, we do 2 times the 3, that first part, and then plus the 2 times 5. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 5 is 10, and from there we know the answer is 16. Okay, the way you might be familiar with, if we're using order of operations, then it would seem easier to just go 3 plus 5, well we know that that is 8, and times that by 2 equals 16. Okay, but in algebra, having unknown numbers here means that you can't always use this method. So that's why we need to use distributive law. An example where we do have an unknown number, a variable A. So let's apply distributive law here. So this 5 needs to be multiplied by both terms in the brackets there. So first we would do 5 multiplied by A and plus 5 multiplied by 7. Okay, so we know 5 times A, that's the same as saying 5A plus 5 times 7 is 35. And we can only add like terms. We've got a variable A and we've got no variable here. So that's as far as we can go there, our answer, 5A plus 35. This time we've got an example where we need to expand and we've got a takeaway sign here. So we'll have a look at how to do that one. Same as before, this 7 needs to be multiplied by A, and then because it's a takeaway, we need to put takeaway before we do 7 multiplied by 10. From there, 7 times A we know is 7A, take away 7 times 10, 70. To make sure that you are understanding distributive law and how to use it to expand expressions, make sure you have a go at doing some practice questions. So have a go at these 2 questions, pause the video, see how you go, and then check your answers. I'll go through the answers in a moment. Let's check how you went with your practice questions. So you should have done 4 multiplied by 3 plus the 4 multiplied by C. Okay, so from there that equals 4 times 3 is 12 plus 4C. Practice question 2. You should have done 5 multiplied by D, and because it's a takeaway here, take away 5 multiplied by 4. When you do that, 5 times D is the same as 5D. Take away 5 times 4, which is 20. Thanks very much for watching. I hope that helped you understand distributive law. And how did you go, little Stella? Did you understand distributive law? High five. Don't forget to check the comments below for a few more practice questions and answers.